In this video, we're going to apply the formula for the area of a triangle. Use the formula for the area of a triangle to find the areas. Make sure to indicate which value is the base and which value is the height. Assume that all measures are given in centimeters and your answer must include units. So we have the area of a triangle. We said it's 1/2 the base times the height. Okay. So here's a triangle. So one of the sides of the triangle is always going to be the base. Okay. Now looking at this one, given the diagram, I want to use this value as my base because it lines up with the grid. Okay. So we could use this as our base and then find this height, or this is the base and find this height. But given the grid the way it is, it would be difficult to find those values. So I'm going to use this as my base, and its length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. Now, my height is going to be the distance from this base to the opposite vertex of the triangle, drawn as a perpendicular line. So notice, this is where the vertex is, and I can follow this line straight down. Okay, that's perpendicular. So my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. So I have a base of 6 centimeters, a height of 5 centimeters, and my area is 1/2 the base times the height. So you can do this on your calculator or by hand. 1/2 times 6, well, half of 6 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And I have 15 square centimeters. Let's look at the next one. Okay. So here we need to pick one of the sides of the triangle as the base. Okay. I don't want to pick this. It's not lining up with the grid mark, so it's hard for me to count that. Same thing here, but I could see this is lining up with the grid mark. So I'm going to use this as my base. And hopefully we could also use the height. Determine the height. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 centimeters. Okay. And this may seem weird. We usually think of the base as being the bottom, as if you were going to set this on a table, this would be the bottom. But it can be any side of the triangle, and if you want to, you can think of rotating this triangle so this is on the bottom. Okay. Now the height. The height is the distance from the opposite vertex of the triangle. So this is the opposite vertex, and we want to draw, we've been saying a line straight down, but in this case it's going to be a line straight over, so it's perpendicular. Okay, so this is a 90-degree angle. Okay, and now the height is going to be this length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 centimeters. Okay, so our base is 7 centimeters. Our height is 5 centimeters. Our area is 1/2 times 7 times 5. That's going to be in square centimeters. I'll just put this in the calculator. So I'm going to do 1 divided by 2 times 7 times 5. And we get 17.5 centimeters squared.